So based on what we've been talking about, Keith, I'm guessing we're not going to get that refreshing air coming in tonight
No.
to wake up to tomorrow.
No, it's going to be sticky. And it's one of those nights where it was hot today, but it wasn't like, you remember last week it was a week
It was
ago?
a combination of the temperature and the humidity.
Yeah,
Steamy.
yeah. This is mostly dew points. When you step outside right now, it's mostly how sticky it is. We did get to 86 in Wisconsin. We got to 90 in Portsmouth and Manchester, but we didn't have any official 90-degree readings. Well, actually, we don't know for sure. We're down a couple of ASOS stations here. Rockland and Bar Harbor, I can tell you for sure, did not get to 90, but Sanford potentially could have. We just didn't get that ASOS reading from them. Got a whole line of showers and thunderstorms into the Northeast Kingdom, Champlain Valley actually of Vermont, moving into the Northeast Kingdom, and some into Canada. Most of these will die out, but we'll see a few showers and storms into the mountains later this evening. And we do have one severe storm still just about here moving into northern Washington County with wind speeds estimated at 60 miles an hour. Honestly, to me, this looks like it's dying out, so I don't think it's likely that severe thunderstorm warning will be extended in any fashion as it moves east. So chance for these showers and storms, again, largely mountains in northern Maine. Coast has a much lower chance of one of those storms. But I think the story tonight is that it is mild. Temperatures are 70 plus. Basically south of Bangor, most of us will be 70 plus overnight tonight, which is a rare thing. I mentioned earlier, 3 times a year is what we average, but there are entire years where we don't have a minimum temperature of 70 or above. So it is quite unusual to be this mild overnight. That's where we start tomorrow. It's sticky. There's more cloud cover. The front is moving down south. So it's moving kind of slowly to the south. And when that happens, we've got a lot of clouds. It's still sticky. Some scattered showers, probably into the mid 80s quickly over southern Maine. Then pop-up showers and storms by tomorrow afternoon, especially over southern Maine and the mid-coast. That air mass is slowly drying out overnight Tuesday into early Wednesday. But Wednesday, we start with clouds. Temperatures are in the 60s to around 70 degrees. It's still not crisp. By Wednesday afternoon, everything starts to dry out. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s, and I think that's when you really feel that air mass change happen on Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures go down Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into the 70s. Our average high is the warmest it gets at any point in the year, which is 79. And then we go back up here a bit on Saturday and Sunday. I actually think the weekend overall looks pretty good. It's not super hot, but it looks warm enough, and we should be largely dry. So we'll keep an eye on exactly what that looks like, but I think we're in good shape there. I do want to point out your isolated shower chances on Thursday and Friday are definitely not full day things. So just pop-up showers in storms around. Better chance, I believe, both days, honestly, will be in the mountains, and a lower chance of showers will be closer to the coastline. I've got both weekend days as dry right now. It wouldn't shock me if we had an isolated shower in there somewhere, but I think the vast majority of the weekend looks good. So that's worth a lot, but a little bit of a cool down there through the middle of the week into the mid 70s.
Okay, nothing we can't handle.
Yeah, that'll sound very good, actually.
Thanks, Keith.